Minisita Rusoke ono rukora nko mwishengero kazabwa district ya KABAROLE ajanga abantu bachindwire momze akugumana bakoresa kuba butimba bw'ensiri okurwa mu government ubwo bari kubuhinduramwe bijaro byahambaga hamwe n'ebindi aho kwezi kwa mwene mwaka guhire kwagerire kwa abantu bibereka mu district ya KABAROLE yabiri habye kashatu na bishatu bw'abantu abashanjirwe bine ndwara y'umushija mu mwaka go bisente 2022 kandi mu barogu nugjahaya no gumwihanga oguri habuciye kamushanje.
We are trying to do as the NRM government. One is to protect lives. We want people to be alive so that they can enjoy the services of the country. And one priority service is health.
Mosquito nets, please use them. Don't use them for fishing, for keeping chicken, all that. Please use the mosquito nets to reduce on the burden of malaria in the district.
Rwabuhinga Rushadi mukuru w'entebe ya katana bwa district ya KABAROLE hona unasha abantu kubakoresa byo butimba bwa bahirwe.
This morning that we are receiving these mosquito nets which we are going to distribute to all the 52 parishes in the district. And finally, when the exercise commences, we project that every person in the district will receive a mosquito net.
We are here to support the district in the mosquito net distribution, and right now we are flagging off the mosquitoes. We have the mosquito nets, we have received them, and we'll be taking them to the parish stores right now.
Agacencwire.